Yo, let's try this again. Hit the wrong button. All right, y'all. I got a compressor here. Gentleman need me to repair. What it is, it's cracked. And how I know that is I took a bottle with some soapy water and I put it on there and you know it make bubbles. But also, I have a package here. So I figured might as well open up the package too and see what we got here, you know? I don't think I can think of it. Gotta be something for the SD. I think that's the only thing I ordered something for. Because the piece for here, oh, I know what this is. This is not for the SD. Okay. I'll put that up in a minute. But yeah, I gotta take all of these pieces off. And some of it gotta be like piece by piece, you know? So, yeah, well, guess all of that don't come in one swap. And I'll take it apart piece by piece and put it back together. Um, Also, when you do these, you can use either pipe dope, which I have here, or you can use pipe tape. I have, on occasion, used both of them. So, anything to make sure that your project goes smoothly, you know? You know, 'cause some people like one thing and some people like the other. I'm gonna need the opening wrenches. Then I get this gauge off, and I gotta get the one, the one here for the return here. I'll do electrical after I take the whole box off. Let me get that off, and I'll bring you back. All right, y'all. We got the other one off, and here's the new one. Just the cover on the old one. So you can basically see I got basically the exact same one. That's why I didn't take these here off of the wires. When you screw these up, they kind of like tighten the wires up so that they don't pull out. And it makes a big difference when you put it back together. Okay, I'm gonna have to get this part on first. And you got to be real careful with this, man. 'Cause this is that old aluminum, you know. May have to go get some more. I haven't used this in a while, and it don't look good to me. I don't like it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go buy another one because I don't like the way that look. You know, I could take a chance on my own stuff, but I can't take a chance on somebody else's. Oh, hold up. You know what? I might have some. All right, got some pipe sealer. Thought I had some. Once upon a time in my life, I used to do plumbing, y'all. Okay. I usually put a little bit on each of them, you know. Don't hurt. Too much, we can live with. Not enough, problem. You know. And that's just the way it is. I'm pretty much doing all of them right now for the simple fact that that would save me some time later. Okay. So I got me some of every last one. Okay. I may have to tighten this a little bit more. Yeah. But you kind of got to go by feel of it. And I'm going to leave it right there because I don't want to crack it. So your stuff may be a little bit different, but still the same. This it. Get off there, you. Getting this line on. Now on the brass you don't need the pipe depth. Okay. Now here's where the changes come in. And I say the changes because nothing is in the exact same location. I have to put it in the best location. You know. Also put pipe dope on all of your pieces. Just extras. You know. I say be safe than sorry, me. Wrong one. Bring you to this side where you can see. Yeah, I'm tightening this one up here. I was gonna say, just kind of feel it, you know, because you don't want to go super tight and crack your aluminum. Because the pipe dope, when it dries up, that's gonna keep it from any cracks or leaks. And when I get ready to test this, I could always put a little spray bottle on it, you know. Okay, so this side, I'm thinking the gauge here, I did my whatchamacallits here, but I got to get this gauge off of here. And they got it tight. That's gonna be a problem unless I can find one of my thin ones, or maybe a pair of vice grips. Let me see if I can find a pair of vice grips thin, because I got to put it back on, you know.